guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, then welcome. If you didn't already know, we are actually in the process of moving, so I am not able to make videos as often as I used to. We just found out that we will be moving next week on the 21st, so stay tuned for a new house tour once we get there. Also, this video is just basically catching up on a lot of cleaning. This past week or 2 weeks basically have been pretty crazy, and we went to the beach this past weekend, and when we got back there was just a huge mess. So no judging, please, on the clutter and the filthy floors, but I do hope that this video gives you some cleaning motivation. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button, and I hope you enjoy.
We're going under, and there's nothing we can do. The final hour before we let it go to rest. It's such a heartbeat pounding in your chest in this story.
Backlash written on me, card rubbing on a glass bowl. I've been ballin', free my ladies in counting down. I'm already out, already on the countdown. I'ma set it right. Got the backlash written on me, go running from the popo and it's on me. Don't know which way we're going now, I don't wanna know it. I just swear we're going down, I don't wanna know it.
So you're probably wondering why I haven't packed any of this stuff that you're seeing on the shelves and anywhere else in the house, and that is because we are having movers come next week to pack up our stuff for us and move it. So I had already packed about 15 boxes or so, and they told me that that was fine. They would just recheck them and just make sure that everything was okay for insurance purposes, but they would be packing the rest, and I don't even take anything off the walls. I don't do anything, basically. They take care of it all, which is awesome.
Before we let it go to rest, it's such a heartbeat pounding in your chest in this story.
Backlash written on me, card rubbing on a glass bowl. I've been ballin', free my ladies ain't counting now. I'm already out, already on the countdown. I'ma set it right, already on the countdown. I'ma set it right. Backlash, I'ma set it right. Backlash written on me, card rubbing on a glass bowl. I've been ballin', free my ladies ain't counting down. I'm already out.
Big cup in this store. In this store. We're going up.
If you have any questions about any of the cleaning products that I'm using, I will list them in the description box down below. If you didn't know this already, I love Method cleaning products as well as Mrs. Meyers, and also I like to use the 7th generation glass cleaner, which you will see me using in a little while in the bathroom.
We're going under. There's nothing we can do.
Already on the countdown, I'ma set it right, right. Already on the countdown, I'ma set it right.
It's such a heartbeat.
So I actually have a little cooking hack for you guys. If you ever forget to thaw out your meat earlier in the day or the night before, if you get beef that is very lean, then you can actually just cook it in your crock pot along with any type of seasoning. So for this meal, we are having tacos, and so I just put it in there and the taco seasoning on top and put it on high, and it cooked for a total of 3.5 hours. If you haven't already, go check out some of my cooking videos. I love to use a crock pot or a slow cooker, and I have several recipes, so if you have any questions, then please let me know.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you
So here's a quick little Target haul for you guys. I was right in the middle of cleaning and the UPS guy showed up with my Target package, and I'm so excited because I got the pumpkin scented candle, and you guys, it smells so good. I love it. Y'all, look at all that dirt. It had been a while since I had swept or vacuumed. And the reason that I did not vacuum in this video is because my 2-year-old was actually taking a nap.
Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. I just wanna look into your eyes. You know you make me feel like I'm alive.
So I have been on the hunt for a good mop. If you didn't know this, I have probably 5 or 6 mops. I'm just trying to find the perfect one for me, and I think I finally did. This one is, the brand is Linkyo or Linkyo. It's not really sure how to pronounce it, but it's a heavy duty stainless steel mop, and it also has an extension on it, so it's great for tall people. I am 5'11" and I love this mop. It is amazing. This video is not sponsored, by the way. Just want to let you guys know that. I just ordered this from Amazon about a month ago, and I just absolutely love it. It has so many attachments and just so many different things. The piece that you reuse on the bottom, there's actually 3 of those, and it's just awesome. I love how it cleans. I love it because it's very sturdy, and yeah, it's amazing.
I would say we were good together. I would say we had fun, but our trails will never run forever. Something else is on your mind, like everything that's good in life always comes to an end. We're letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend. And I know that it's over. Got the look on your face. It's too hard to explain, but the worst is the pain when you pronounce my name and you say, Gloria, please don't cry for me. Oh, Gloria, please don't cry for me. Yeah. I can hurt you like you hurt me too. Then we make love when we are done. Breaking up and then get back together.
So I have to put my hair up when I clean my toilet. I cannot stand to have my hair down. I'm so afraid that my hair is going to get in the toilet, and that's just disgusting. So the cleaner that I'm using is the Method Anti-Bac. I love the citron scent, and I'm using the Honest Company Toilet Bowl Cleaner. I am not showing you my toilet right now in this shot because, yeah, the toilet was that bad. So I didn't think that you guys wanted a close-up of that, but just know that I'm cleaning the toilet, okay?
But the worst is the pain when you're breathing out my name. Gloria, please don't cry for me. Don't cry for me. Gloria, please. Oh, Gloria, please don't cry for me. Why do everything that's good in life always come to an end?
So my phone actually died and it did not record me mopping my bathroom, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below what you guys thought. I will see you next time, and I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks, guys.